Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, let me introduce myself. I am Lutfi Mulyaristi. I am a class 1 student. First of all, I would like to deliver about the Muhammadiyah University of Tangerang. The Muhammadiyah University of Tangerang is the largest private university with the largest number of students in the province of Banten. In addition to many public doors, Muhammadiyah University of Tangerang, in 2015, we have held College Accreditation B, the national accreditation body for higher education, until 2020. We consistently continue to improve the quality in the teaching and learning process. And all about Muhammadiyah knowledge at the Muhammadiyah Tangerang University campus. We prove it by continuing to develop the campus in 2012, which has 5 floors of lecture building was built, followed by a 20-story lecture building in 2013. The increasing public trust in the Muhammadiyah University of Tangerang, with the increase in new student registration every year, hours and cross-grade used to increase or facilitate new course of study. For lecture facilities, this 19-floor building will become the symbol icon of Muhammadiyah Tangerang, Banten Province, which will be named 1912 according to the year Muhammadiyah was born. I majored in Indonesian language education and literature at the Muhammadiyah University of Tangerang, the University of Muhammadiyah Tangerang, which is located in the middle of the city. One of the favorite university in Tangerang, who is interested in majoring in Indonesian literature education because Indonesian is our first language and is used in everyday language. Second one, I want to tell you about my faculty that I choose, namely the Faculty of Education. The Faculty of Teacher Education, the Faculty of Education, Muhammadiyah University Tangerang. The science table is 2009. There are 6 successful study programs: Indonesian English Education and Literature Education, Elementary School Teacher Education, Islamic Education, Mathematics Education, and Education at Large. Not a few people in Tangerang choose Muhammadiyah University of Tangerang to have a bright future as a professional teacher. If you want to become a professional teacher and learn more about education, please choose University Muhammadiyah Tangerang at the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. My faculty has a vision and mission foresight. 1. Organizing faculty based on teaching development of science, educational, technology, arts, culture, and religion. 2. Organizing faculty based on scientific research, educational, technology, arts, culture, and religion. 3. Organizing communication service-based faculty. 4. Describe the academic atmosphere of Islam Muhammadiyah. 5. Improve representative facilities and infrastructure. 6. Cooperating with internal and external institutions relevant to the chief dharma of the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Muhammadiyah University Tangerang. 7. Improving the quality of education and education personnel. 8. Increase satisfaction for stakeholders. 4. Mission. to become a leading faculty of teacher training and Islamic education in the field of education, research, and community service in Banten province. In the department that I take, there are many subjects that study Indonesian and literature education, such as Indonesian prose and poetry, Indonesian syntax, Indonesian morphology, Indonesian phonology, and etc. They are skills acquired from my major. 1. Writing skill. 2. Text analysis skill. 3. Oral community skill. 4. Reading comprehensive skill. It's the most important skill I am learning on the reason I chose this study program I have explained above. Because there are not many competition in Indonesian language and literature education, only special people choose it. Almost all universities have this study program, especially the Muhammadiyah University of Tangerang, which is already taught this course. Not only make paragraphs in the text but learn more about Indonesian and literature education that you have never studied before, such as morphology, syntax, phonology, and etc. BIPA is Indonesian language learning for foreigners. The essence of BIPA learning is not limited to learning Indonesian only. This is because language is closely related to other things outside the linguistic aspect. Language cannot stand alone and depends on the context that surrounds it. One of the linguistic context is the cultural context. Language and culture are two things that are related to each other. BIPA has a cultural aspect. In BIPA, learning consists of two things. The first aspect is the cultural aspect brought by BIPA students from their respective countries of origin. Second, the cultural aspect that surrounds Indonesian as the object of learning for BIPA learners. The first cultural aspect is the cultural aspect that accompanies BIPA students. BIPA students come from various countries. Each country has its own culture, which may be different. The culture difference brought by each BIPA learner can affect the Indonesian language learning process. The second cultural aspect is the cultural aspect that surrounds Indonesian and as the target language for BIPA learners. The main objective of BIPA is to improve the ability of BIPA learners to use Indonesian communicationally. Learning Indonesian for French speaker must optimize the use of Indonesian in the context of real communication. BIPA can be categorized into General BIPA, which aims to teach Indonesian for the purpose of daily communication. Academic BIPA, which aims to BIPA academic. Language BIPA aims for recreation, which in the tent for those who will travel in Indonesia. BIPA for specific purpose, which is in the tent to teach the Indonesian language for certain purpose, such as orientation to special jobs. The purpose BIPA is to facilitate Indonesian language and get to know Indonesian culture more deeply. The scope of BIPA teaching includes language skill, listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and appreciation of literature. Furthermore, the teaching such can be from written and oral search program advantage. The BIPA program is designed to improve participants' speaking skill, favors daily context, train participants to use Indonesian in a variety of formal contexts, developed participants' insight into Indonesian culture. Come on, don't forget to register for lecture at the Muhammadiyah University of Tangerang. Okay, I think that's all about Muhammadiyah Tangerang University. I really proud to be part of student of Muhammadiyah Tangerang University. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.